particular product gives the dealers an opportunity to quickly go on a job, take off the old competitive units and put these right back in place very quickly.
The CDR unit was designed to be the best available in the industry. From the inception of the program, we focused on the robustness of the design, partnering with the best suppliers, investing heavily in the manufacturing facilities, and also providing world-class support in the field.
Our focus is really to get out in front of everybody else that builds products that we compete against. Quality expectations should be higher, and we want to lead that charge. From the design process through the phase gates that we have, not only do we really focus on having the necessary tools in place, but testing them, getting the prototypes manufactured, putting those in the test cells, and really finding the weaknesses at the prototype level so we know what improvements need to be made before we go into the complete design.
The rails themselves roll form, so the competition uses single pieces that are screwed together. This is one solid section. What this does is obviously give you a very strong and heavy structure for the base of the product. These embossments, and this was on a punch press, and all that does is add strength to the base of this product. The strength there is to keep the vibration and noise down to a minimum.
When we know that our product's ready to go out the door on the first day of launching our product, we know that it meets our quality standards beyond the shadow of a doubt. The things that we're putting in place are getting us to that level of leading our industry.
Quality means it does last a long time. So that's the reliability piece of it. And it really needs to be reliable through the whole lifetime of the product.
This is the main control that we're calling our Simplicity Smart Equipment. It's the unit-based control that takes over management of all of the various components in the unit. The majority of the installations are done with just basic thermostats. So we made sure that there was a lot of access and availability to get to your thermostat connection. A lot of unit-based controls just simply have LED lights that flash to kind of tell you what the control is doing. We moved away from the LEDs to actually having an LCD display. One of the features we've added is we now have what we call a map gateway that we can plug into the control that then turns your unit into a wireless hotspot. And everybody knows what that is. They can now pull out their smart device, their tablet or their iPhone, and now instead of having to look at just an LCD screen, now I'm going to be looking at my iPad, tying into just through a basic internet browser, be able to get in and do all my commissioning and setup and programming right from my smart device. And if you've got a number of units on the roof and they're all tied together through that building automation system, you only need one wireless gateway to gain access to all of the units on the roof. We've also added some connectivity such that you can actually program through USB a simple flash drive. The connectivity piece allows them to begin to look at some of the advanced operations. Maybe they want to get into programming where they're doing schedules. Well, this control now allows them to have scheduling where they can drop sensors down into the space and program the building to operate based upon time schedules.
Ease of installation is an important part of what we try and do when we launch a new product to make it easy for the installing technicians.
This product is designed to go on top of a competitive roof curb from 3 to 12.5 tons. What that allows the dealer or the customer to do is quickly lift off the old competitive product and replace it with this without any what we call a roof curb transition.
It makes perfect sense to be able to direct replace a unit. Saves me time and money. It also cuts my customers' costs and makes me have a better sales opportunity.
A lot of things that matter to the overall experience that our customers have with our units. It's not just about a unit that performs, it's something that they can be proud of when they install it. That's all part of our focus of improving the experience that our customers are going to have with this product.
Bottom line is the customer experience. If we're successful with that, if they have a trouble-free installation, trouble-free first year of operation, we know we'll be successful.